Welcome! If you've been getting too many notifications every time someone adds to your post on Instagram, there's good news. You can now turn those off directly from the Instagram website on your PC. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to mute those alerts and keep your notifications clean and distraction-free. First, open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account as usual. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram allows you to customize what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Next, find and click on Push Notifications. This section controls the real-time alerts you see, even when you're not actively using Instagram. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Add to Post Submissions. This is the setting responsible for notifying you when someone adds to your post. To stop these notifications, simply select All.